Alright guys, hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Wanted to put a video up. This is problem number 3 on the completing the square portion of the homework that is due tomorrow. The problem is x squared plus 2x plus 16y squared minus 96y plus 129 equals 0. Step 1 is to minus 129 on both sides. So I get x squared plus 2x plus 16y squared minus 96y equals negative 129. The next step is I want to say, well, this is where I set up my parentheses, leave my blank. I factor out the 16 from here, so I've got 16y squared minus 6y plus the blank. And over here, that's negative 129 plus blank plus 16 times blank. Why 16 times blank? 16 times blank. So what number doubles to give me 2? Well, obviously 1. So this becomes x plus 1 squared. So what's the blank? 1 squared, 1. Over here, 16 comes down. What number doubles to give negative 6? That's negative 3. So y minus 3 squared. What is negative 3 squared? 9. That goes in the blank. That also goes in the blanks here and here. So now, I've got x plus 1 squared plus 16 times y minus 3 squared equals negative 129 plus 1, that was this blank, which again came from here, plus 16 times 9, that's this blank, which came from here. So, this gives me x plus 1 squared plus 16y minus 3 squared equals, when you simplify this side, you get 16. Divide everything by 16. Remember, this is the equation of an ellipse, which means we want this to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Both these over a squared and over b squared. We want it to equal 1 over here is the key. So that's how I knew to divide by 16. So this becomes over 16. This 16 and 16 cancel out, so it's over 1. Now they want me to find the length of the major and minor axes. Well, a squared must be 16. Remember, a squared is always the bigger one. A squared is 16, so a is equal to 4. So the major axis, which is 2a, would be 8. Here we've got b squared, of course, is equal to 1. That means b is also equal to 1, because 1 squared is 1. So the minor axis is 2 times b. 2 times 1 is obviously 2. Then they want me to find the foci. So remember, to find the foci, you got to find the f, which is the distance from the center to the focus. Remember, f is equal to a squared minus b squared. Square root of that. Remember, a squared was 16. B squared is 1. 16 minus 1 is, of course, square root of 15. We need the center of the ellipse, which we get from saying x minus h, so that becomes negative 1. Y minus k, that's 3. So negative 1 comma 3. So now we have got, okay, we got the distance from center to foci. We got the center, so now we just have to say, do we add this to the x or the y? Well, we know the foci is on the major axis. We know the major axis is a squared, and we know that's under the x. So we are horizontally elongated. So, going to add it to the x, subtract it from the x, keep the y coordinate the same as that of the center. That's how you do this ellipse problem. Completing the square, problem number 3. Going to zoom out, give everybody a panoramic view. And with that, I'm signing off. I will see you all tomorrow.